Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start on the sandals. And just softly touch it. Softly. It's already black, so it's not going to be too much work. Take your time. Don't rush, because you don't want that glue to touch that, you know. dry. Turn it around. We're going to end up cutting that anyway, so don't sweat it, you guys. Make sure it's identical. Don't put too much glue, kind of thin it out. Clean. Just a little glue. See that? Givenchy slides. So basically what I did was I found the feature on my computer. This is a quick tutorial, how to, that's all. I just used this app. It was basically my notebook, and I just basically typed it in, as you guys can see. See, I just typed it in. So I put it all in caps. You know, make sure you do a space between each letter. We're going to be using regular Arial, 72 size. Bold for Givenchy. Paris is going to be not bold. You're going to download all black paper on just a black image. Just type in black image, black paper. Black paper is what I did on a regular computer, on your regular computer search. And your images, it's going to pop up. I inserted into here. into this program. And pretty much after that, I just typed in Givenchy, inserted it on top of it, and then I hit, of course, print. Always check orientation. It's going to be landscape, so it can be evenly, and then you just print it out. Okay. Now the fabric paper that I used was the dark one. It's dark. Anyways, that's how you do it. You just copy onto any fabric paper, and that was pretty much it. So make sure you have black screen, a regular screen, and you just, this is basically a picture. Just type in black paper on your regular internet engine search. It's gonna be all types of black papers pop up. Click it and save it into your computer. Insert it on here, type over it, Givenchy. Remember to space in between. Use Arial because of that I right there. If you don't, it's going to be the regular OG capital I with the cross on the top, cross on the bottom. You don't want that. You want it to be exactly what it shows on here. You just go to here, which is the regular search engine. I just typed in Givenchy Paris logos. And it just gives you all, that's the shiny one. This is the one that I just did. They have another one. That's the one that I just did right there. I did that one. I want to make it bigger. It's like a rustic color, like a matte color. But yeah, that's the one that I did. And it came out pretty good, if you ask me. It's not dead on, but it's pretty dope, you know. You can't tell. I'm going to probably do some more finishing touches on there. For now, let's see how they look on. Excuse my floor. They look fine to me, don't they, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, they do. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.